Well, this noon, we do have new developments in the trial of Lovely Johnson.
The young mother is charged with neglecting her child, leading to the 6-month-old's death.
But this morning, the jury announced it just cannot reach a unanimous verdict.
24-Hour News 8's Barton Dieters has been covering this case for us. He's live outside the Kent County Courthouse with today's new developments. Barton?
Well, right, Sue and Emily, we're told that this jury worked very hard, short breaks, short lunches, and as of Friday, they said they'd reached a decision on one part of this trial, the child abuse charge. But over the past few days, something obviously changed.
Ma'am, do you think further deliberations would help you in this matter or not?
We do not, Your Honor.
And ma'am, I want you to listen very carefully and only answer yes or no. Based upon your previous correspondence to me, have you reached a verdict on either of the counts that is unanimous?
No.
We aren't showing the jury, and they refused to talk to us after. They told the judge they could not reach a verdict. But it was clear they'd been through a traumatic experience. The two-day trial included graphic photos of 6-month-old Noah Johnson, who died alone, strapped in a car seat inside a sweltering Wyoming apartment in July of 2017. Prosecutor Chris Becker told the jury that Johnson had left the baby alone without food or a diaper change, and by the time she brought him to a hospital, the infant was in an advanced stage of decomposition and had obviously died from neglect. Becker said as the baby died, the mother was out having fun without regard to the suffering of the child. Defense attorney Jonathan Shilgen countered that it was possible the baby died of something else, and his client's alleged lack of care would not have mattered. He also said that the mother suffered from panic disorder caused by the harsh circumstances of her life that led her to react like someone in survival mode and robbed her of the ability to make rational choices. The defense was successful to the extent that the jury was not able to make a final decision, which means a new trial unless the defense is able to get some kind of relief in an interrogatory appeal.
I think it speaks to the nature of the overcharging. It's been clear from us from the beginning that this was a tragedy, not a murder. The government has been taught a lesson. They might not like it, but it's true.
There's not a whole lot to do differently. I mean, the facts are what the facts are. So I can't say there's going to be a whole lot of change. I mean, it's, obviously a different jury, and maybe there's some things I might emphasize, but I can't say I'm going to completely do anything differently because the facts are what the facts are.
The judge denied the defense request for a personal recognizance bond for Johnson so she could be free pending the next trial, which could be several months away. At 5 and 6, we'll hear more from these attorneys and also look at what could be coming up next. In the Kent County Courthouse, Barton Dieters, 24-Hour News 8.